Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to navigate the Fidelity website. First, open your web browser and go to fidelity.com. Look for the Login button, usually at the top right, and click it. Then, simply enter your username and password to securely access your personal account. Once logged in, you will land on your main dashboard, which provides a quick overview of your entire financial picture. This is your central hub for managing everything. Once you are logged in, your dashboard clearly shows your total portfolio value, often in a large, easy-to-read number. To dive deeper, simply click on any of your individual accounts, like your brokerage or retirement accounts. Here, you can see detailed balances, all your current holdings, and a history of your recent transactions. This section helps you keep a close eye on each of your financial buckets, ensuring you understand where your money is. To make an investment, find the Trade or Invest menu, usually near the top. First, choose the specific account you want to use for your transaction. Then, you can easily search for stocks, ETF, or mutual funds using their ticker symbols. Once you have found your desired investment, enter your order details, specifying the quantity, the type of order you want to place, and how long it should remain active. It's a straightforward process. If you ever need help, look for the customer service or Contact Us link, often found in the footer or header. Fidelity also offers a robust learning center filled with articles, videos, and webinars to expand your financial knowledge. For quick answers, use the search bar to type in your question. Additionally, the Frequently Asked Questions section provides immediate solutions to many common inquiries, ensuring you always have support available.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.